That was extremely epic when you like burst through the door.
It's like, and I'm just like, ah!
Wait, did you pull the fire alarm?
No.
Mischief.
Oh, look, there's Mr. Brown. That's just so great.
What were you doing?
What?
What were you doing?
I was printing out a conversation with Cleverbot and it was taking me forever. Oh no, that lady's looking at me having this camera.
Because you used the cell phone.
It's not a cell phone. It was not text.
She watched you. She was like, she like turned.
FedEx people are
Yeah.
She like turned her head, watched, following you.
It's okay. I'm over it. Where are we? Oh, we're not the. Okay. Ah. Hey, how do you feel about this?
I think it's good.
Thank you for your input.
We survived.
Yeah. We could.
You pulled that fire.
No.
Just kidding, because you came like.
I was just like, ran it.
So it's just funny because like.
You didn't even know it was gonna happen.
No, I'm just walking down the hallway like crap. I'm late, and I'm like, dang it! Last two steps to the door.
Because it like started ringing and then you like ran in. It was just so fun. So it was kind of funny.
That was so good.
It's very windy out. Look at everyone.
Why do you have your camera out?
Because.
About her nipples.
It's kind of creepy.
Oh, I want to say something. If you rub leprechaun's nipples, they give you magicness.
No said. No comment. Bus is calling me, and yes, it knows my name.
I see it. Don't and gravy.
God, I missed the bus because
We're going to the bus. Cleverbot. I did this so it was a lot easier to read.
Yeah,
It is. Bus is boring.
You know, we can have a sexy party on here. Oh, yeah. What did your mom dig in my closet? I mean, I knew she was in there, but God. She made a mess of things.
Tell your mom to get out of my closet. It's just creeping me out. Aw, my house.
We'll miss you, my love.
I'll miss you too.
Yes. Goodbye. Here's your conversation. What? I'll be in your closet.
Uh-oh. You're gonna have to share with your mama.
Okay, we'll do it.
Can't think of what to do, how to set this up. My Rube Goldburg project. It's such a fail right now.
You don't know how much this will mean to everyone.
This will fall.
What it means to me.
We'll hit this hammer, and I don't know how this hammer's gonna be set up.
I really missed you.
Wasn't this supposed to be done like forever ago?
I already had all the plans done. I did. I have printed from computer lab.
Hello. What's wrong with that?
Hammer.
With all
We'll
this
hit.
romantic
Well,
atmosphere.
that's gonna have to be lower.
Disasters
I wish the hammer was higher, but you can't go with one all the time. And hammer is going to hit a piece of wood that's going to have a nail. And the nail is going to go through the piece of wood, which is then going to hit this car, which is going to have a candle on it. I don't know how that's going to be on there yet either. And it's going to slide down, but on a track. And you know what? Check out this picture I have. That is that teeter-totter. Hammer, obviously, is that hammer. a teeter-totter. Check. Hammer. Yep. A ramp. Kinda. Now I just need this fancy contraption. Let's see, this is a giant weight. It has to be very large. There's your toothpaste and toothbrush. These are all strings going across there. That's the string right there. Of course, there's going to be a contraption that holds that up, of course. Maybe wires, maybe a piece of wood. I have 2 equal pieces of wood. But the car is going to have a candle in it. And when it goes down the ramp, it comes up through here, the candle is going to burn through each one of these strings, which will release, obviously, the weight, which will drop down and hit the toothpaste and squeeze toothpaste out onto the toothbrush. Yay! Epic win. Catch it. Army of cars.
What it proves anyway won't change anything. You can't change the past. You said you always be there for me. But you're not.
It's pretty cool. Where'd the spoon come from? Do it. No, no, no. I thought it was flour again.